Greetings YouTube. Just wanted to do a follow-up or an update on the fold-down seat restoration for the 68 Mustang. I've got all my sheet metals I've sandblasted and painted all the parts. I'm working on getting the carpet on and fasteners and the trim. I wanted to show you guys something that it's not a big surprise to me. It seems like everything that I touch in the restoration parts as far as sheet metal and or trim is plus or minus 1/8 of an inch, upwards of 1/4 of an inch of variance from the original part. So case in point, I have the original piece of trim and obviously original piece of sheet metal here for the fold down seat assembly. And I'll show you this piece goes on no problem. It all fits. It's as expected. Then I take my replacement part, which, putting it next to each other, yeah, they look pretty good. They look close. But this bend happens about 3/16 further this way than this piece does. So if you have a 90 degree here and a bend here, guess what? It doesn't fit. So as I go to put this piece on, you can see it doesn't sit in there because the bend is in the wrong place. Now this has been an ongoing problem, and when I purchased this kit, it was listed as a Dynacorn. The part number on the vendor's website corresponded to the Dynacorn. So I'm going to show you the package. This is what came. This is the number on their website. For 67 it's listed through to 70, I believe. I'm just going to take a look here real quick. Yeah, molding fold down set, 67 to 1970 Dynacorn M3507A, and not cheap as far as what it costs. But so yeah, here's the big problem right here. No big surprise, those of you who have done any restoration work. So I don't know if you guys know of a vendor that makes this in America that actually can measure something. Clearly these people can't, and that's pretty much every part I've touched on this Mustang project. There's the car waiting for epoxy. It's been acid etched, so it's ready. It's preserved. It's not going to rust as long as I keep it dry. But yeah, it's frustrating. So I'm going to keep moving along here. I've got my carpet. I'll get the carpets installed, and I'll reach out to the vendor. They're good people. They're easy to deal with. So I have no doubt that they'll probably tell me that's the kit, that's what they have, and take it or leave it kind of thing. But I'm sure they'll be happy to refund my money if I wanted to send it back. But the problem is I don't have a place to send these out to chrome. I guess I could. I can get them powder coated, but I can't get them chromed in this area. I'd have to send them out, and unfortunately, I've seen and heard too many horror stories with sending things out to people out of state to have things chromed, and you never get your parts back, or you only get some of them back, or so it's at least 6 hours for me to drive someplace that can chrome something. So I'm kind of stuck, and I just wish I knew a vendor that I could trust. And maybe if you guys have some tips on the vendors that are reliable and honest and competent, that you're actually going to get your parts back in quality and all of that, please leave me something in the comments below. I would appreciate that. But where we live, like I said, there's just nothing here, and makes it hard. So anyway, that's where we're at. Hopefully this helps. Something to think about before you go to buy that trim kit. It's just flat out doesn't fit. So all right, hope you guys are all well. Have a good day. Thank you.